Hi, welcome to Padai Planet, and we have got the question here. So it says that there is a well with the diameter 3 meter and the depth of the well is 14 meter, right? So it is something like this. It's going to be something like this. Let's draw it, right? So this is how it will be, right? Now this is the level of the earth, suppose, right? Now this is the depth of the well, right? Yes. Now what they're saying is that the well, it's like the diameter is 3 meters, right? So that means this whole this part, this distance is 3 meter, and the depth is 14 meters. So that means the distance, this distance is 14 meter. That's the depth of the well. Now what they are saying is that the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of the width 4 meter, right? Now there is a circular ring which has been made here like this, right? So let's just try and draw this so that we have the clarity. So this is the ring, okay, which is being made around the well in a circular form, and the width from this point till this point, the width of the ring is we will just mark it here separately. So that's the width and that's the diameter. This is 4 meter. That means the external diameter of the ring or of the embankment is 4 meter, and the internal diameter is from here till here. That's the internal diameter, and that's 3 meters. Now what we need to find out is the height of the embankment. So this is like it's the mud is placed on this so that there is an embankment, and we need to find out the height of this embankment, right? Now let's put the relationship right first, and that is the volume of the embankment, right, is equal to the volume of the mud which is taken out from the well. Now volume of the embankment is going to be the volume. It's in the cylindrical form, which is hollow, and the width of the cylinder is can be calculated, right? So this is going to be, we will just calculate it. Now if we look at this, the internal radius R1 is going to be 3 by 2, right? And the external radius, that is R2, suppose that's going to be 4 by 2. So we can say that this is 1.5 meter and this is 2 meter, right? Now the volume of the embankment, or rather the volume of the mud in the embankment, is going to be equal, if we put the formula, this is going to be pi R2 square H minus pi R1 square H, where H is the height of the embankment, right? So H is the height of the embankment. Okay. Now we also know that the volume of the mud can be calculated because this mud came out from a cylindrical well, right? So the formula which will apply here is pi R square and this H, and this H is going to be this is going to be, suppose this is capital H, right? So this is what it is going to be. Now let's put the values and we will then start calculating it. So pi gets cancelled from from everywhere, so that goes off, and let's take h common from here. So let's take h, so it's like r2 square. So r2 square means 2 square minus 1.5 square is equal to, pi is already gone, like this is gone, right? And this r square is the inner, this one, right, the inner radius. So that's like 1.5 whole square multiplied by the depth of the well, which is 14, right? Now we can say that h is equal to 2.25 multiplied by 14 and divided by, now this is going to be 4 minus 2.25, that means 1.75 comes here, right? Now let's simplify it, and when we simplify, this is like 7 and this is like 9, okay, and 7 makes it like twice, so this is like 18. So 18 meter is going to be the height of the embankment, right? So I hope you could understand, and this was a very simple question. Let's keep watching these videos. I'm sure you are liking and it's of benefit to you guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.